How to turn on or turn off auto scan apps daily for viruses and spyware on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on device care. After that, we tap on app protection. In here, tap on the more button and then tap on app protection settings. At the top here, make sure you turn on app protection. Then we go down and tap on auto scan apps daily. Tap on the toggle button if you want to allow or don't allow daily scans of viruses and spyware. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.